We've all seen it. Luxurious properties that sell for millions of dollars and agents who knows how to close those deals. What does it take to be like Aaron Kierman or Jane Mills? In this video, I will show you 5 tips that will help you become a luxury real estate agent. Stay tuned. Tip number 1 is find the right crowd. And it's the hardest part because there are so many ways you can meet new people. But you need to meet people who are owners of high-priced properties, and there are a couple of ways to do that. For agents who want to get into luxury real estate, aligning themselves with prestigious brokerage or teams specializing in luxury segment in the area is a great place to start. You can find mentors among your team members, and you can help them just so you can meet the right crowd. Help them with their open house or staging a house for sale. By shadowing them, you will meet new people. You will learn the language and lifestyle of your future clientele, and you will be seen. I know it sounds obvious. Go and help someone who sells high-end listings. But you will be surprised how many great agents started this way. This moves us to the second tip. Research developers in your area, especially those with high price tag in their portfolio. Stay up to date with what's being released into the market in your area. Meet your local builders, see what they are developing right now and at what stage it is. Inventory that it's not yet on the market is gold. If we take a look at the best luxury real estate agents, like for example Aaron Kierman, you'll often see him meeting developers during construction of new property. That's where you want to be, right before this property hits the listings. But visiting is not enough. You need to know everything that is to be known about this property. What materials were used? What are unique features of this property? What systems were used in construction? You need to know and understand your inventory very well. The same goes for communities that are built in the area. Because as development reaches new stage, the price always goes up. So if you get there first, you'll get the best price point. So check luxury real estates in your area. Learn who the developers are, what are they doing right now, what new investments may pop on the market in the upcoming weeks. Those are key advantages for your future clients, if you can bring them any opportunities that are not yet available. So let's move to the tip number 3, which is be social. Digital channels like your website are a great way to get more listings and leads. But don't neglect social media. You want everyone in your area to know who you are and what properties you have in your portfolio. When we look at high-performing agents like Tiffany Pentozzi from Align Real Estate in Orlando, who listed Shaquille O'Neal's $16 million mega mansion in Florida, when we look at her social channels, what do we see? We see YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Those are all valuable channels that you can use to build your name and get more leads. And you don't have to be a number 1 in your area to have a strong online presence. Here's a great example from Monica Church, an outstanding agent from Seattle. Here you also have a strong online presence in social media with a special place for YouTube. So yes, it makes a difference in this industry if you build an audience through social channels. If you haven't already, now it's a great time. Let's move on to the tip number 4. If you want to have more time for prospecting, networking, finding new opportunities, you need help. You need to build a team. If you want to scale effectively, first and foremost investment should be hiring a transaction coordinator. All top agents have someone to handle their transactions, because that's the best way to get the most value of your time. At the beginning of your journey, you want to do all steps yourself so you can understand what's going on with your transaction. But after a while, you want to hand it over to a qualified coordinator, so you can focus your attention toward prospecting and networking. Another valuable addition to your team will be an experienced stager. Someone who makes sure that your listed property looks impeccable to the potential buyer. When we take a look at agents like Aaron Kierman or Jane Mills, we see they not only help their clients find the right price, they also help stage the property.
Love, 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 love. Love. I don't like this table. I hate the chandelier. We gotta get this down. Everything's disgusting.
Moving on to the last tip that will help you become a luxury real estate agent. Your listings are gold, and you should market them more often and put much more emphasis on the marketing side. You will get calls on your listings, and they can be a great source of quality leads. The key element is a presentation of the property. With tools like property landing pages, you can quickly market your luxury estates through social media or your newsletter. So don't neglect this aspect. The more your presence and reputation will grow, the more traffic will come to your website. And if you need help with creating stunning looking luxury website, our creative team can help you with that. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn more about generating leads for real estate websites, take a look at this guide. I'll see you in the next one.